Yo, Anyreno here. Today we're swapping tires at home, DIY style. Here's what you need to get the job done without breaking the bank. Just a basic and cheap tire machine. Mine handles up to 16.5-inch rims. Next, we got Bead grease for 18 bucks. If you want the tire to slide on and seal easy, this is a must. The secret sauce, combustible spray. I'm talking brake cleaner, carb cleaner, or starting fluid. $4 give or take. You also need some kind of a brush for the grease. And for the ignition system, a $1 candle and a free stick from the firewood pile. Total cost about 100 bucks, so it's peanuts compared to the tire shop. Safety first, as always. Now, let's get to work. Step 1. Release the air from the tire. Until there is no sound. This tool is for breaking the seal of the bead. All of this depends on your tire size, and so you might need to adjust the settings to make this work. And sometimes you need to use your body weight to be on top of the tire, like I am doing right now. Make sure it's totally out. Step 2, we are gonna take the tire off the rim. This machine uses grabbing handles that keep it together. Make sure the bead is not seating. Apply some grease to the groove. Be generous with it. You can't put too much. You might have some weights on the tires. Start so that you don't hit them. You basically need to make sure that the tire is on the groove of the rim, otherwise it's not gonna come out. Next, the bottom. Do as I show. And make sure it's on the groove. Always on the groove. If you install or take it out, it always needs to be on the groove. Next step, we need to put the new tire. So look for markings. It can say outside or inside or such things, but this tire doesn't. It just shows the red line, and that's the outside line. So apply grease on the back. And also on the inside, so it goes smoothly. Also make sure you put grease on the top too. Look at the weight and start like after the weight so it doesn't get on the way. Start the twisting and then make sure that the tire is in the groove so it can be installed. You can use the handle as well, so it's a lot easier. With the right technique, it's really easy. It's supposed to be easy. I'm again starting from the weight side. Always make sure it's on the groove by pushing it down. It wants to come up, but yeah, if you make sure it's down there, you can do this pretty easily. It basically just slides on. I'm making sure that the other side of the bead is seated properly. And now you gotta find the groove side again, because the groove is where we're gonna put the starting fluid. Make sure you see the groove, and also light your candle. Put some of the spray in there, not too much, few seconds, it's enough, and then light it with a long match or a stick. And you need to press at the same time so it can ignite the gas inside. And that's it, you're done. Just put air in it like you normally would and you're done.